in?
Yes, please come in and have a seat.
Thank you, Miss. Good morning.
Okay. Good morning. I'm Selan, the manager in this company. It's a pleasure to meet you.
It's a pleasure to meet you too, Miss Selan.
Let's begin. Can you start by introducing yourself?
Currently, my name is Tia Oktaviani, a fresh graduate of the Jakarta State Polytechnic Bachelor of Business Administration, and I'm currently living in Bandung. Proses administratif, time management, organizational, customer service, and creativity skills. The skills are proven in work experience and experience during field work practice by increasing efficiency in the business and industrial work in high school.
Why are you interested in joining UMN?
I've admired UMN for its contribution to Indonesian economy, to growth and its strong reputation in the business sector. This position in HRD aligns perfectly with my academic background and work experience and professional goals. I want to help create an efficient and supportive environment for employees, which I believe is vital for the company's success.
Can you share your understanding of the role of your marketing for?
Yes, Miss. HRD is positioned to manage employee database, payment of salaries and other benefits, absence and annual leave, work contracts, and employee resignation.
Okay. What experience do you have that makes you a good fit for this role?
During my studies, I worked as a payroll specialist at PT Sarmas Jaya and as a finance staff member at Lipaja. I also had the opportunity to be a master of ceremony at the Jakarta International Expo or the Expo event. These roles have given me strong organizational, time management, and communication skills, which are essential for the HRD.
Can you tell me more about your certifications?
Yes, I hold certification in professional management, human research business professional, and human research management professional. The certification have deepened my knowledge and skill in HR practice, preparing me for responsibilities in this field.
What are your strengths?
I am disciplined, detail-oriented, and a good problem solver. I can work both independently and collaboratively in a team. members more and focusing on effective collaboration.
How do you handle conflict in the workplace?
I believe open and honest communication is the key to resolving conflict. I analyze the issue, discuss it with the parties involved, and work together to find a fair and effective solution that benefits everyone.
What is your current role in this position?
My goal is to contribute to BUMN by improving employee certification and performance through effective HR strategies. In the long term, I am to take on leadership roles within the HR department, fostering a culture of collaboration and innovation.
Can you share with us the reason behind your resignation from your previous job?
I decided to resign from my previous company because the environment did not align with my values and goals. It was high pressure and competitive environment, and I want to explore new opportunities and work for a company that is more aligned with my personal values and goals.
Okay, how would you describe your leadership style?
I believe in a collaborative leadership style where I encourage team members to contribute their ideas and take ownership of their work. I also prioritize clear communication and providing guidance while trusting the team to execute tasks effectively. This approach helps build a sense of responsibility and mutual respect among team members.
Okay, if you had to implement a new HR policy, how would you ensure its acceptance among employees?
I will start by clearly communicating the purpose and benefit of the new policy to employees through workshops or meetings. I would also gather feedback from them during the planning stage to address their concerns and make them feel informed. Once implemented, I would provide support and training to ensure a smooth transition.
Okay. What do you think is the biggest challenge for HR professionals today?
I think one of the biggest challenges is adapting to rapid technology change while maintaining a human touch in human research department practice, balancing automation with personal engagement is crucial to ensure that employees feel valued and supported. Additionally, managing diverse workforce and remote work jobs are also key challenges.
you ensure confidentiality when handling sensitive employee data?
I strictly adhere to company policies and regulations regarding data privacy and security. I use secure system for managing employee record and ensure access is granted only to authorized personnel. And additionally, I am careful not to discuss sensitive information in public settings or with unauthorized parties.
What strategies would you ask to increase employee engagement?
I will focus on regular communication, resolution programs, and professional development opportunities. Conducting surveys and open forums to gather feedback can also help identify areas for improvement. Organizing team building activities and promoting work-life balance are other strategies that contribute to higher engagement.
What inspires you to pursue a career in human research?
I am inspired by the opportunity to make a meaningful impact on employers' lives and contribute to the overall success of an organization. Human Research Department plays a crucial role in fostering a positive work environment, and being able to support and empower people is what motivates me to excel in this field.
Do you have any long-term plans for self-improvement or skill development?
Yes, I plan to continue upgrading my skill through advanced certification in HR department and leadership. I'm also interested in learning more about emergency technology in HRD, such as AI and analytics, maybe to stay ahead of industry trend. My goal is to become a well-rounded professional who can adapt to any challenge.
What is your approach to time management when handling multi-tasks or deadlines?
I prioritize tasks based on their urgency and importance using a to-do list or project management tools, and I also allocate specific time blocks for each task and ensure clear communication with team members to avoid overlap or confusion. This approach has helped me consistently meet deadline without compromising quality.
Okay. Can you share an example of a challenging situation you faced in your previous role and how you handled it? Okay.
Currently, while working as a finance staff member at Indonesia, there was a time when a significant discrepancy was found in the financial records just before a major audit. I quickly identified that issue, collaborated with the team to rectify the error, and implemented a system to prevent similar issues in the future. And the audit was successful, and the experience taught me that importance of attention to detail and teamwork under pressure.
How do you stay updated with the latest trends and practice in human research?
I actively participate in human research department seminars, online courses, and professional webinars. Additionally, I follow industry publication and stay connected with human research department communities to exchange knowledge and insight. This continuous learning ensures that I stay informed about the latest practice and innovation in this field.
Okay, if you research, how would you contribute to fostering a positive work culture in this company?
I believe that positive work culture start with effective communication, mutual respect, and recognition of employees' contribution. I will focus on creating initiatives like employee appreciation programs, team building activities, and open forums for feedback. These efforts can help build trust and collaboration among team members.
How do you handle feedback, especially when it's critical?
I view feedback, whether positive or critical, as an opportunity to grow and improve. I listen carefully, reflect on the point raised, and take actionable steps to address it. This mindset has helped me continuously enhance my skill and performance.
What would you do if you found yourself in a situation where your workload became overwhelming?
If faced with an overwhelming workload, I would first assess and reorganize my priorities, delegate tasks when appropriate, and communicate transparently with my supervisor about my constraints. My focus will always be on maintaining quality while managing time effectively.
How do you see yourself growing within this company?
I envision contributing to the company's success through innovative human research department strategies and eventually taking on leadership roles to mentor and guide other team members. My long-term goal is to become a strategic partner in driving organizational growth.
Can you tell me about a time you went above and beyond to achieve a goal?
Well, organizing an event during my fieldwork practice, we faced last-minute vendor cancellation. I quickly found replacement, renegotiation terms, and personally coordinated logistics to ensure the event ran smoothly. The success of the event was recognized by the management and it reinforced my problem solving and crisis management skills.
Do you have any specific ideas or improvement you bring to this role?
Based on my experience, I propose implementing a digital human resource department management system to streamline employee records and performance tracking. This will enhance efficiency and provide valuable insight for decision making. Additionally, I suggest launching regular training programs to upskill employees and boost overall productivity.
Do you have any on-site interest or activities that would prevent you from being on time and at work every day?
No, my job is my priority.
Would you be open to working in different parts of Indonesia?
Absolutely, I'm open to exploring opportunities to work in different parts of Indonesia.
What salary range are you expecting for this position?
Based on my experience and qualification, I'm expecting a salary in the range of 4,500,000 rupiah to 6 million rupiah. However, I'm open to negotiation and interested in a compensation package that reflects the responsibilities of the role and the company's standard.
Could you explain how you determine deadlines?
I've done some research on the average salary for senior roles in this industry, and I also considered my certification in human research and my previous work experience as a payroll specialist and finance staff member.
Okay. At the end, we offer competitive salaries along with additional benefits such as health insurance and opportunities for professional development. We all take your excursion into account when finalizing the offer.
I understand that sound fair and aligned with what I'm looking for.
Do you have any question for me?
Yes. Could you tell me more about the team dynamics in the HR department and the key challenge faced in this role?
Okay, great question. Our HR team value collaboration and continuous learning. the challenges in managing employee satisfaction in a fast-paced environment. But it's also one of the most rewarding aspects of the job. Is there anything else you like to ask?
Yes, Miss Ellen. Could you share more about the company's future vision and how this role contributed to activating it?
Okay, of course, our vision is to expand our impact in Indonesia economic development by prioritizing sustainability and innovation. This role plays a crucial part in building a strong and motivation workforce that aligns with our long-term goals. Okay, yeah. Okay. Thank you for your answering the interview. Our team will be in contact. You or send email to updates on your application status and the next step moving forward.
Thank you too for this opportunity to interview for the position. I appreciate the time you took to discuss my background and qualification. And I'm very excited about the possibility of joining your team. Thank you once again, and I look forward to speaking with you.